If you're anything like me, you tried for years to layer, but you want to layer and still look chic. I created a previous video about this, and since then I've really practiced to hone in on this skill because this adds so much depth to your outfits and makes you look very nice and chic. So I created some outfit formulas to help you master this technique, so stay tuned. Outfit number 1. So this is the inspiration for this outfit that I recreated. So the formula for this is that the base layer is a turtleneck, the second layer is a crew neck, and the third layer or outer layer is a cropped jacket. Now, one of the keys to this is to remember, number 1, make sure the shirt base layer is fitted to your body. So that turtleneck needs to be nice and fitted and smooth. So while this is not a bodysuit, typically I would use a bodysuit. So that helps anything. If you want something smooth, that's already something smooth and creates smooth lines. Second, I would say is to make sure that the outer layer is the largest and longest layer. So we don't want to see that crew neck underneath our outer layer, that jacket. So make sure that the outer layer is the largest and the longest, because you don't want your outer layer to be too cramped, because then you look stuffed rather than looking chic. So those are some keys right there. So I recreated this same outfit with things that I had in my wardrobe, and I love how chic this looks. So this is perfect to me for a semi-casual look to the office, or just maybe if you're running around running errands but you don't want to wear jeans, you still want to have an elevated casual look. This is very nice and elevated. I like the varying colors. We have ivory in contrast with the navy and the brown, and I like the way that they look together. The juxtaposition of the two colors, the light and the dark, marries perfectly. The variety of textures. This is just an overall nice look. So keep that in mind, that outfit formula. Turtleneck as the base layer, crew neck as your second layer, and your third layer is your outer layer. So that's a simple way to layer. Now, outfit number 2. So this is London Girl NYC. Now, she is a style and fashion connoisseur. Her name is Amanda. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that she's also a stylist. And this look is one of the many inspiration pictures that I have from her. And one of my style goals for next year is to actually use my inspiration pictures, use the style techniques in that, and add it to my bank of styling. So I started, why not start now before the new year? I mean, it's December, so I might as well start now. So this look, this is the elements of her look. So she has a shorter top. It's a t-shirt. It's just a regular white t-shirt, something I think many of you would probably have in your wardrobe. Then we have the mini skirt. It's a nice mini sweater bottom. It looks like it's knit material. So she has on this striped blue shirt dress, and I like how she has the upper layer. If you notice, she has that top button open, and that's so that you can see the t-shirt as the base layer. So even if your base layer is not a high neck, you can still have it be shown if you open up that second layer, which is what she did with this shirt dress. Also, she has her sleeves rolled up nice and styled, so that also adds some not only styling, but you could also see more of the layers with that look. And again, she made sure that her outer layer ultimately, which is the coat, is longer than a shirt dress. So in this look, she definitely went from a shorter, the base layer being shorter, to the outer layer being longer. So go from shorter to longer, and that creates a nice chic look, because again, we're not bulky, but we look nice, smooth, chic, elevated, like we plan this out, and it looks amazing. I love the variety of textures in her looks and prints. That to me, this is masterful in layering and styling. So I used some of the same elements to create this look. I'm so proud of this look, and I cannot wait for my first opportunity to wear this. So the formula for me is the base layer is a crew neck t-shirt. This is a navy crew neck t-shirt. Actually, this is not a crew neck t-shirt. This is a fitted high neck cropped t-shirt from Banana Republic. This is the only t-shirt, in fact, that I have in my wardrobe because I'm just not a t-shirt girl. It's a little too casual for me. But I love this t-shirt. I actually considered buying another one, but we'll see. Now the second layer is this brown shirt dress that I bought from H&M so many years ago. And the outer layer is going to be a coat. Now, again, make sure you go from the shortest and thinnest to the thickest and longest layer. So I use this mini plaid skirt from J. Crew paired with this t-shirt from Banana Republic. And I love this little plaid skirt. I love the colors in it. And it has some lavender, some greens. The backdrop is navy, so I love that. Now, in order again to make sure that you can see my t-shirt, I have that top layer of the shirt dress opened so that you can see my bottom layer, because that's the whole point on my base layer, is to see the layering. You not only want to see the layering for yourself, but you want other people to acknowledge the effort that you put into your fabulous outfit. So make sure you have that top button unbuttoned. And again, like I said, the outer layer, the shirt dress, the coat is on the shirt dress. Now for me, I am typically a solid colored girl, but I do sometimes like to wear prints, and prints is something that I'm getting more into. Not that I'm gonna just have a whole wardrobe full of prints, but styling two different types of prints together is something that I'm gonna be working on in the new year. So this is a plaid skirt, but we have the houndstooth. This is a blue houndstooth maxi coat. I bought this from, where did I buy this from? I bought it in London. The name, I want to say Harvey Nichols, I think is where I got it from. And I love this coat. So the plaid and the houndstooth to me marry so well together. And one of the things I think, the two things I think make it work is that they are similar color. They're similar colors, well, they're the same color but different gradients of that same color. And they also have varying scales of the prints. So I think that's what makes this look so good. But either way, love this look. Cannot wait to wear this the first opportunity that I get. So just keep in mind, again, for your base layer to be your tightest layer, for your base layer to be your shortest layer, and for your outer layer to be the largest layer and the longest layer. And you can't go wrong. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure that you comment and subscribe. Please subscribe. If you're someone who is into honing in your personal style, curating a wardrobe that matches your style and your lifestyle, then subscribe, become a stylette, join the community. We would love to have you. So styling is a muscle. And so just like how when you go to the gym or you do Pilates or any form of activity, you work your muscles, that's the same thing with styling. So because I work my styling muscle with layering, the next couple of outfits are going to be outfits that I've curated myself with no inspiration pictures. So this next outfit, I'm wearing a mini turtleneck sweater dress. This is from Banana Republic. And I have knit pants with this dress. So these knit pants are from Zara, super old. So don't be afraid to take a sweater dress and turn it into pants. I mean, style it with pants. Or any dress for that matter. And now make your dress a top. Especially if you have a mini dress. It's easier, I think, to do. But you can even do it with a longer one as well. It just depends upon the type of dress. But either way, don't be afraid to wear your dresses as tops. It can create something good. So I would say this is the first layer, is the fitted dress that we have paired with pants. Now our next layer is going to be a long duster or cardigan. I love a long cardigan. It's just they're warm, they're chic, it's like an effortless way to be chic. So I like this to add this layer on top. Also, for functionality purposes, not only do you look stylish, but when this is your second layer and then you actually add your coat on top, it leaves you even warmer for the cooler days in the winter, especially when you make sure that your layers have natural fibers. So like this particular duster is mohair wool, so it leaves me nice, warm, toasty. And then of course, I just add my teddy coat on top. So now this is a camel teddy coat. It's from Nicole Lionel. I got it, I don't even remember what, I want to say like probably like around 2019. So she doesn't sell it anymore, but I don't even know if teddy coats are still popular anymore. I don't know, but for me, the teddy coat is a classic type coat that I will wear every winter because I genuinely love the style. It's warm, it's cozy, it's chic. And to me, teddy bears never go out of style, so how could a teddy bear coat? Like, it's a classic. You know what I mean? So, I love them. Hopefully one day I can invest more and get one from Max Mara. That is my goal. Of course, stick around and see years. Hopefully next year sometime I'll be able to get it. Well, 2026 is my goal. We'll see. So, I love this look. And this is something that I do quite frequently in the winter. Like, this is something that I'm pretty much known for. And I say known for because friends that I have noticed that I do this little layering thing and they love it. And some of them have even started trying to do it. So, it's easy, it's simple, you look chic, warm. So, definitely a good thing to incorporate. And I like the variety of textures. Try to do a variety of textures. That even adds more depth to your look. Again, the teddy coat is the outer layer. It's the largest layer and the longest layer. So we don't look bulky because that's what we don't want. We don't want to look the Michelin Man. We want to look nice, smooth, chic. Now, outfit number 4. This is another one of my favorites in the winter months. So I love a sweater dress. Dresses are my favorite clothing item, but a sweater dress in the winter, chef's kiss. We're instantly feminine, effortless. We could be sexy. Like, I love it. Absolutely love. So the base layer in this look is a baby blue turtleneck bodysuit. Again, like I said previously, bodysuits leave you nice and like smooth, so you don't have to worry about tucking in, and it just makes it easier. So we have it paired with the Joseph sweater dress. This is a V-neck sweater dress. It's 100% wool. I bought this from Net-a-Porter some years ago, and I love this sweater dress. It's on heavy rotation every winter, and I just love it. So then the outer layer is this brown, chocolatey brown knitted crop sweater jacket. And I love this huge oversized collar. I love this look. So it was originally supposed to be for my husband, but he couldn't fit it. He was like, this is too big. I swallowed in this. So I took it over because it fit me. I just tried it on and I was like, oh, I like this. Okay, I could rock this, even though it's a man's sweater. But I like the way it looks and I love it. So I wear it quite frequently. But yes, love this, love the difference in colors. You can see again the variation in our layers. Our light, our olive green sweater dress, our brown knit outer layer jackets. Love that. And I love that this is 2 collars. So the V-neck sweater dress has a collar, and then that huge, beautiful, voluptuous collar on the jackets just adds another layer of layering. And if you notice, whenever I love things to have long sleeves. Even though I'm short, I'm only 5'2", so my arms are not long, but I love like something like this that goes over my hands. I just will roll it back if I have it paired with something else. So I do that quite frequently, and then that adds another layer because you can still see that element of layering when you layer that. So it's layering on top of layering. Not only can we see those layers that you have here, that you've created in the center of your body, but we can see them in your arms as well. And I love the way that looks. Like layering, when you get a nice layered look, it's just chic, masterful, very stylish. And so this is why it's a technique that I have mastered. I've gotten way better at, and I love it. If I do say so myself. I don't know, you guys might think differently, but comment down below. Let me know, do you guys like to layer? If so, do you have any tips and tricks that I didn't cover? If so, let me know. I want to know. I'm interested. See, I have this paired with some black over the knee boots, and the heel is not that high. So I would wear this maybe like a day date, or maybe a winter brunch, or even honestly just running errands, because I like to look nice and feminine. I love wearing dresses. That's my favorite clothing item. So that's something that I would wear just running errands. Now this next look is an ode to brown. Brown is one of my favorite colors. I love neutral colors, and I'm laughing because my favorite color is blue. That's my absolute favorite color. Blue is bae when it comes to colors. Then white, but I wear browns a lot. It's just something about neutrals, like a nice brown on me, or camel, or that I just really like on my skin tone. And so my husband messes with me quite frequently. He's like, blue's not your favorite color, brown is. But blue is my favorite color. But anyway, this is an ode to brown. And this is a prime example again of using a sleeveless dress as a second layer. So the first layer is a chocolate bodysuit. And again, bodysuits, I just talked about them. A turtleneck bodysuit will be it's a wardrobe essential if you like layering. So we have that. Then I have this sleeveless dress from Vince. It's a midi dress, and I just love the way this looks. It's the chocolate with this color. This to me looks like a Reese's outfit, like a Reese's cup but in outfit form. So Reese's but make it chic. That's what it reminds me of. And then I added this faux suede vest, and we went to another level. This is from Banana Republic Factory. It's a faux suede vest in a nice camel. It's long. Love the way it looks. So you're probably thinking, well, it's not longer than a dress, so what's going on? How are we gonna tie it together? Well, then we have these suede, nice suede stiletto heels. These are thigh-high boots. I've had them since college. So again with the brown. And our final layer is the leather coat. I love this leather coat. Honestly, I have loved this leather coat for the longest. So this leather coat is from my grandmother. One of my grandmothers gave it to me, and I've been wearing it ever since. And I would see her wear it. My grandmother, one of my grandmothers, she's 4'11", the grandmother that gave this coat, and I'm a little bit taller than her. So you know it was practically close to the ground with her, but she loves wearing heels, so she had it at the right length. But I love this coat. This chocolate leather coat. Just put it over your shoulders. You can even put it on, because again, this is the longest layer and the biggest layer. So that is the key, really. As long as your outer layer is longer, then we can still have a good variation in lengths, and you can still have a nice chic look. But I love this look. This look is just giving to me like very like sexy, sensual 90s R&B kind of vibes. I really like this look a whole lot, and this is a look I would wear to a brunch or a date night. To recap, remember that the base layer has to be tight to your body. It has to be the smoothest layer and tight to your body. Remember that the outer layer has to be the largest layer and the longest layer in order to create the look that we want. In order for us to look chic layering instead of looking like the Michelin Man, then we have to have enough space for the layers. So the outer layer has to be the largest layer, and it has to also be the longest layer. I would like to say this is my last video for the year, for 2024, and I appreciate everyone's support. I really cannot say just how much I appreciate you guys in my community of stylettes. This is fun. This has been a good year. I enjoy it. I look forward to us going to 2025 together and having some amazing lives and giving you all some amazing content. So thank you so much. I appreciate all your love and support, and I will see you guys in 2025. If you enjoyed this video, then check out my previous video. That's all about some tips and tricks on how to be a stylish woman. Not fashionable, but stylish, because they're not the same thing. So if that's something that you're into, then I'll see you over there.